According to a recent study, you will spend 76,500 hours or almost 9 years of your life using your smartphone device. But how can we make some money while using the phone? Wouldn't it be great? This is probably one of the easiest ways to make money online. It's 100% free and you don't need to invest any money into it. You just need to download the app, spend 15 to 30 minutes working on it every day, and you can make up to $25 per day. I want you to go to zaraclemy.com. As you can see, this is a platform to make money online. It works on laptops, smartphones, and even tablets. All you need is an internet connection and some good coffee. Zaraclemy is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. So no matter where you come from, this is a solid way to make money online whenever you have some free time. Let us know in the comment section where you come from. I'm always curious to know more about you guys. There are plenty of ways to make money using this platform, including playing games, completing surveys, leaving actions on social media, browsing websites, and a lot more. You can also create ads to reach clients and receive website visits, surveys, games, registrations, and more, but that's not why we are here today. To get started, click on Start Now. You will be taken to this page. Simply provide your email and password and you are all set. You can also sign up using your Gmail or Hotmail accounts. You can download the app from Google or Apple Store. You can see here that Zaraclemy is quite popular. It has more than 180,000 reviews on the Google App Store, and most of the reviews are 5 stars. And this tells us how legit the app is. This is my dashboard after logging into my account. You can see that there are plenty of sections to review. Well, in the next video, I am going to explain every section of this tool and how you can make your first $100 on Zaraclemy. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and make sure to check out the other money-making strategies on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe now so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.